Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy. Today is Monday, December 5th at about 3 p.m. Have you been listening to CNBC, the Contrarians News Business Channel? Did you hear Mr. Tom Lee? Don't you love that guy? He's the guy with the big black glasses that make him look really smart and studious. And he said about a week ago that come the end of December, the S&P was going to be trading at 4,400. Yeah, okay. They may not have told you this, but back in February, when the S&P was trading at 4,200, 4,400, he said it was going to be trading at 5,400. Oh, man. Or how about Steve Grasso? Steve Grasso, another one of the fast money boys and girls, the mad money folks on CNBC. Oh, yeah, we're going to have a rip your face off rally into the year. It's going to be a big money chase. Yeah, okay, Stevie boy. Good luck. Let me know how that worked out for you. Folks, we don't listen to any of it. I don't have a TV in my office. God knows, no. Let me show you something. Swing Machine Plus, ES, futures contract. 7:15 this morning, in the quiet of your office, you place one mini contract on. At what price? $40.59. That was this morning. You're up real time, $3,250. The NQ, $725. You're up almost $4,000. The Dow futures, $1120. You're up $1,400. The Russell, $715. You're up $24.30. Gold, short, $825 this morning. You're up $2,880. And how about this one? This one's a beauty. Oil, short, at $955, $4,200. In round numbers, 3,200. Let's call that 7,000. 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, almost $20,000 in profits off of one mini. And of course, this is all scalable. If you had been using micros, you'd only be up 2,000. If you had been using more leverage, it's all scalable. If you had done 5 minis each, you're up over $100,000 in a matter of hours. Folks, I'm Bagadon at Stock Market Caddy. We do not forecast the end of the year. We don't forecast where the markets are going to be next week. We don't hand out the fish. We don't make specific recommendations to buy or sell a thing. We don't make any claims that if you subscribe to us that you are automatically going to make any money. To the contrary, or not to the contrary, but you're going to need to learn. We are a mentoring site for the mature person, the mature trader, even if that trader is just starting out but has a mature perspective, and you want to learn what Wall Street and Madison Avenue have been doing to you over the last 40, 50 years. You see, folks, they don't buy and sell on the narratives, on the stories. That's the crap they sell. They're trading robotically. They're trading by machine. I can be reached any day, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., 813-758-8263. If you're still with us and you'd like to see what we're doing intraday, let me know. Give me a couple of dates, a couple of times. We can schedule it. Better yet, talk over the phone. If you've got questions, you can email. This is not a game to us. It looks like fun. It is fun. It is built around the game of golf, but that is one hell of a game. We could have built it around the game of chess. That's also a great game. But it is not a game. We are mentoring. We are teaching folks how to trade for a business, as a business. Maybe you have another gig. Maybe you want to be replacing that income and then some when you retire. This whole notion that you've got to have less cash flow in retirement is nonsense. Much of what Wall Street and Madison Avenue have been filling one's heads with over the years is nonsense. They're doing just the opposite, much like everything else in life that we have come to learn. My wife Susan and I have been doing this over the last 20 years. Well, we've been in the markets for the last 30 some odd years. We've been doing this for the last 20. There is no holy grail. We're not presenting any of these tools as a holy grail. It's not an ATM. They are decision-making tools. In much the same way, Intuitive Surgical markets a robot for robotic surgery. You need to be a surgeon to use it. A plane may have an autopilot. You need to be a pilot. In order to operate these tools, you need to have good acquired trading skill. You see, folks, the holy grail in trading, the holy grail in a lot of things in life, is you. It starts and ends with you. I won't spam you. If you get our email and you don't want it, you just unsubscribe. We're here for the folks that want to learn and take control over this part of their life. Feel free to give us a shout. Good luck.